Maybe how about today we don't look
see some color.
How about today we don't look for women at all?
It's nice that they leave the ruins up. I like that. I wonder what they used to be.
Art.
In fact, there's no one coming. Can you pull up next to it, and I just want to go in and check it out.
Is that like a bus stop? Because I see somebody.
One-eyed fish.
No, it's I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Yeah, I'll be right back. Just pull up around the corner. Whoa! I'm gonna die. That's cool. This is weird, man. Hi.
Hi.
What is this? Is this like a bus stop or is this like art?
Art, yeah.
Yeah?
We're in the art district.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we were looking for it. We were stuck in some residential area for a while. My name's Mark.
Lacey.
Casey? Is that what you said?
No, it's Caitlin.
Oh, Caitlin. I'm sorry. What are you doing here?
Just hanging out, taking pictures.
That's cool. That's kind of what I'm doing, but with a video camera.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I interview you?
For what?
My friends and I like to go around and get candid footage of just people on the street. People that look approachable.
Doing what?
Doing anything. We're just trying to capture our generation, really.
Okay, I guess so.
In fact, this might sound kind of creepy, but can we go to the other side of this wall? You're still in public view. I mean, it's not like I'm going to do anything to you. This scenery is really boring. It's all black.
I guess.
And it's loud over here. Okay. Caitlin, let's actually trespass. Let's go back here. I want to get this backdrop behind you. Alright, so how old are you, Caitlin?
24.
24? Okay. And, sorry. Getting my shit together. This actually looks really cool. I wish you could see it. In fact, you can, if I turn this around.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a lot of color. Are you from Miami?
I went to school down here.
Okay. To study what?
Environmental science.
Do you do anything related to that field?
No, I'm not done yet.
Oh, okay, okay. So they say a lot of people, they'll have their major and whatever they study, they don't end up doing that at all. Like, not even close.
Yeah, I probably won't end up doing anything in my field. There's not a lot of money in it.
Yeah. Is that what you're after?
Money? Yeah, I like money.
I guess everybody does in America.
Yeah.
Alright, so what, is this like your day off, or are you on vacation?
Yeah, just my day off. I'm just
okay,
hanging out.
That's cool. You don't tie your shoes?
Not these ones.
Not those ones? Okay. That's cool. What if you have to like book it real quick, like you gotta run or something?
I'll take them off.
Kick them off? Alright. That's cool. Just like a random window.
Kind of a weird question.
I wonder what these ruins used to be. Oh, no, just I believe in function over fashion. That's all. Like my shoes serve more of purpose than just covering my feet. I can actually run in them or jump or hop and skip, whatever. Okay. Are you busy today? Like, what are you doing today?
I don't really have any plans.
Okay. Well, like I said, my friends and I would just drive around and try to get random footage of people. I'd actually kind of like, since you're not doing anything and you're a very pleasant person, would you mind if we like, we can go inside the van right there and we'll just drive around and I can do more of an interview without all this noise in the background. If you notice, I'm kind of yelling because it's so loud out here.
I don't think so.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
kind of creepy.
Yeah, I guess. Is it the van?
Yeah, it's the van.
Okay, well, I mean, as you can see, I have a professional camera here, and there's a nice little light on top. That is my van. I mean, this isn't a trick. We're actually doing something here. Like, what would convince you? Like, okay, we do pay. Like, this is real. I mean, this is my job. This is what I do.
Right.
Would you be willing to at least look inside the van, just so you can see that it's not a trick, it's not a ploy?
I guess.
All right, let's go over here. In fact, you should see this. This is kind of funny, actually. Take a chance. It's harmless. You can open the door. I got some friends in there.
Hi.
Whoa.
All right, Caitlin. As you can see, Brick, this is Caitlin.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
As you can see, I mean, there's a professional light. There's a professional light. There's nothing in here that can harm you.
There's professional guys.
Yeah, except for the 3 dudes.
Whoa, would you really?
He's driving.
Yeah.
He has to pay attention.
I don't know. It's up
How
to you.
much?
How much? Okay, so we're getting. This is progress. I like this. I don't know, like 60 bucks. It's only gonna take like a half hour of your time.
80.
80?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. Fine. Yeah, well, that works.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So you're just okay for $80.
Thank you.